I am Dr. Amita Sinha, Organizing Secretary, FOGSI PPH Con 2024. I personally invite you to attend this mega event on 30th and 31st March at Hotel Maurya. I am happy to share that delegates from all across India have registered themselves for this conference. Many international and national speakers are coming for this conclave. Dr. Abdullah Mossa from Egypt, Dr. Jaideep Tank from Mumbai, Dr. Maurya Patna from Mumbai, and many FOGSI past president, Dr. PK CONCLAVE, Dr. Arka Kriplani Madam, and many more teachers and stalwarts of FOGSI are coming to grace this occasion and sharing their knowledge with us. National convener of this program, Dr. Mahesh Gupta from Ahmedabad, Bhaskar Pal from Kota. On first day, we have live workshop which will be relayed from Nalanda Medical College Hospital, Patna to Hotel Maurya. It will have both surgical cases and video sessions. Following this workshop, we will have scientific session at Hotel Maurya. After the scientific session, we will have hands-on workshop in the evening on different aspects of prevention and management of postpartum hemorrhage, which will be very useful for younger gynecologists. This workshop will be followed by cultural evening and gala dinner. We again invite you all for inaugural session in the evening, where chief guest will be FOGSI President Dr. Jaideep Tank and guest of honor will be Margaret Weber, Chief Midfield Office, UNICEF Bihar. On second day, that is 31st of March, we have one whole day of scientific session from morning to evening on the topic of placenta accreta spectrum, which is very dreaded condition and nightmare for all the obstetricians. So it will be very useful to listen to great speakers on this particular topic. During that session, we have also keynote addresses, panel discussions, and lectures. As we have our conference just after Holi, I take the opportunity to wish you a very, very happy Holi. खुशियों से हो ना कोई दूरी, रहे ना कोई ख्वाहिश अधूरी, रंगों से भरे इस मौसम में रंगीन हो आपकी दुनिया पूरी. Let us join hands to make it a successful conference, and I hope it will be a memorable one and you all will enjoy our hospitality. अपने देश की परंपरा अतिथि देवो भव का अक्षरशः पालन करने हेतु मैं और मेरी टीम आपके स्वागत के लिए कटिबद्ध है. नमस्कार. लॉन्ग लिव FOGSI, लॉन्ग लिव POGS पटना.